driving the other truck.
Is Jason in it?
Yeah, he's in it.
Oh dear. Okay, here we are at the top. Gonna go at a different angle here. Okay, ready?
Hey, Rob! Rob! Yeah. Will you take ready to spin rock? Sure. Yeah.
Right on up the hill.
I'll be right there.
Here we go, here we go. Come on, roll, baby, roll. 1, 2, yo!
Bring it back up! Bring it
I got the picture of it, man.
Here we go, round 2. Take it from a different angle.
Sticker on his front window. See it? Big dogs. I'm telling you, you should have done something. Here, watch the picture for me so I can watch.
Can you watch? If you want me to hold the camera, I will.
Oh, no, I think so.
And Chuck corrected me on the Yahoo. Well, yeah, that's why I feel bad when I get around all these guys. You know, I get all these pretty Broncos, you know?
This is my street car.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa! 5 times.
That was a good roll right there. One more time so I can see without taking pictures.
See the damage.
Okay, roll it back over so we can see the damage. Well, the windshield really does this time.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right. So it's a complete candidacy to the bottom. Right. Yeah.
All right, Busy Broncos!
Here's all the people that came to watch.
I'll get the air because I know I'm full of it. Oh! Yeah, so that's now. The other one seems good there. You get the welding because there's always something with you that's hot off.
Wait a minute, it's been away!
Right on.
Okay, we're pulling it back over.
Careful there, Tom.
Tom's in the watch out, Tom. Watch out.
Watch out, Tiger.
Oh yeah, hit your truck, Tiger. Woo, Tiger! Woohoo! All right. Now let's see what's the damage.
It did okay on the rollover, but when you flipped it over,
I'll give you 500 just as it sits.
Yeah.
Your radiator's leaking. That's a problem.
oh yeah.
Hurry, hurry, bring us an air.
Hey, it's not over yet. Come on.
Huh? Look at Jason on top of there. He thinks he's cool.
I can't believe that people are leaving. Right now. What? Yeah, I'm just going to kind of...
Are you guys coming up? Or are you going back?
Yeah, he's going back tonight today to take this back and bring his Bronco. He didn't bring the Bronco, he just brought this one.
Oh, okay.
But he's going to stay the night.
How long does it take you guys to get back and forth?
Okay, all those people over there
It's
want
about a 3-hour drive.
See him over there?
Yeah, go!
All those people on that ridge over there are just watching. See them all?
Cool. Are we in the way? Too bad.
No, not behind us. I mean over there across the thing.
Okay, let's count them, guys.
Going?
One. 2. Oh, just 2. Just 2.
Look at both the tires pop.